The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, meet Richard, president of AME, Association of Manufacturing Excellence in Canada. Recently I did a webinar for Richard, and after the webinar was over with, he said, Paul, it would sure be great if you just had a whole bunch of quick clips from people all over the world who are doing 2-second lean so people could see the enthusiasm and how excited people are about doing 2-second lean. So just simply ask the question, why do you do 2-second lean? Well, Richard, your wish came true, and here's the video. When we put out the word and asked for everyone to give us a quick clip, people came out of the woodwork from around the world. So here you go.
Tom Hughes here from Ireland, and what I like most about 2-second lean, the personal responsibility. It's about taking responsibility for yourself, for your environment, at home, at work, your life, not pointing the finger at everybody else.
It gets everyone in the business involved. I'll never go back to the way we ran our business in the past.
Hey people, Seb from England here. For the past 17 years I've been doing the same job, day in, day out, monotonous and boring. 3 weeks ago, my new manager told me that I've been nominated to be trained up as a lean champion and my life's changed. I absolutely love coming to work and doing everything that's lean.
It's a way of life built on simplicity and positivity. And whenever things are simple and they're also backed by positivity every day, we find that everyone gets on board really, really quickly, and that's all that's required to make huge steps forward.
Why do we do 2-second lean? Well, very simply, it's the leanest way of doing lean, and therefore the leanest way to achieve the amazing benefits and results of doing lean.
After doing lean for over 20 years as a consultant and working in companies helping change take place, 2-second lean introduced me to lean being so simple, and it's all about me. It's about how I organise myself so I have more time to do everything I love. It's about improving my health. It's about improving the way I think and the relationships I have with people. It's about the way that I travel. It's all about making life simpler through making small little improvements continuously in my life. And by doing that and showing others, that drives the inspiration for others to change who want to.
The best for me is the people development. Lean helps develop your team. They are happier because they are helping and are valued. They work better, they earn more money, a virtuous circle.
It gives freedom to the people, gives freedom to yourself, gives you the ability to make a change and do an improvement and not be worried that it's wrong or think about it too much. You just want to do a small improvement every time and just keep building on that day by day.
Lean is all about continually improving and continually improving our customer service. Our internal customers, our team, our employees, who don't only get better training and a better experience at work because they're trained to think and make decisions and they're empowered, but they also get paid more money because the company's making more money. So it's all good for everyone.
It's a culture that you develop where you just want to fix everything because it'll make your life better and easier. And it gives you a chance to be innovative, creative, and use your imagination to its fullest.
Easy, systematic approaches to problems, just little bits every day.
With 2-second lean, I'm no longer letting chaos control my shop. I'm in control now. My shop is organized, my thoughts are organized. Everything is ready to go. And with this mindset, it allows me to be more productive, more creative, and have more fun.
The reason I do 2-second lean is because it helps me get a lot more done. Before, everything was a struggle. Everything took a lot of time. It was really arduous. I started doing daily 2-second improvements. Now I get 10 times more done than I used to in the same 24 hours.
Constantly improving, eliminating waste, and I know that my business, my people, they're getting better every single day. It's the best thing ever. So constant improvement, eliminating waste. What else can you ask for?
A way to bring back the way of thinking of Sakishi Kishiro Taishiano in order to encourage people to do small improvements every day.
We like to focus on the 8th waste, and that is the waste of human potential. And we do this through morning meetings, daily improvement walks, and daily 3S. When you develop your people and you put this effort forward, they will work and focus on the 7 wastes and then eliminate those. It's magic from there.
It changes your mindset from simply doing a process to working on improving the process. and it can take the most mundane task and actually make it fun.
After years of failed leadership and realizing that it started with me and I had to lose my ego first. And then I realized how gratifying it was to build the people with the company.
The essence of 2-second lean lies in its simplicity. Paul has taken a very high level complex philosophy. You feel even I could do this. That's the beauty. It feels like a no-brainer. Making life better and joyful for oneself and for others is a choice you can make every second.
It's cool, it's fun, and I think that because you get instant gratification, it spurs you on to do more and more and more, and it helps.
Well, it's pretty consistent with our purpose statement here at ODL of we make your life better. So involving everybody in the team, all the way out to the frontline staff, to our sales staff, to our managers, our coaches, we want to make people's lives better.
Because people love it. This is our break room. 2 copies there. 2 copies there. See any other books laying around? I don't think so.
It's the glue that holds our organization together. We're a landscape construction company, so not a lot of landscape construction companies are doing 2-second lean. It gives us a massive competitive advantage.
I've been a lean coach for about 20 years, so you could say I drank the juice 20 years ago. But 3 years ago, I listened to a phenomenal book, 2-Second Lean by Paul, and then I drank the elixir. Because 2-Second Lean engages everyone, not just the people who do the Kaizen, not just the lean improvement people, but everyone in your organization.
And for me, 2-second lean is a very, very powerful concept that combines the idea of continuous improvement and respect for people, but in quite a simple way that anyone can improve their lives straight away.
Is building a better place to come to work at the very same time that we grow in habits and enhance ourselves through these positive daily habits.
It is so simple. It doesn't need great knowledge, big strategy, or long meetings. I practice it here at work and in my house, and I love it.
Is to reduce the struggles that we have to deal with, as well as improving ourselves, and by doing that, making our lives more enjoyable.
Hey, I wanted to share a story. I went to a training. It was for construction lean training. When I went there was a professor from a local university. He was teaching us about all this theory. There were a lot of games. There were a lot of different dice games. And I remember as I was sitting there, how in the world can I apply this in a way in which a guy that puts bolts on a fitting can understand and make a difference to him. Then he showed a video, and it was actually Paul's video in Kazakhstan. It was a video where there was a loader filling an asphalt hot plant, and he was talking about value versus non-value added activity, and that struck such a chord in my mind that I almost stopped remembering and paying attention to a lot of the other stuff, training that I was receiving. So after the meeting, I got up and talked to the professor because I had to know who made the video. And here's a picture of the note that I took. So I was 3S'ing the other day and I found the actual note that I took from the professor, and it says, Paul Akers, just fixing something that bugs you, best practice. That is the note that taught me how to apply lean.
And when you start with yourself and you make those improvements by spotting the struggle and taking action every single day, it's just infectious. It happens at work, it happens at home, and everything just gets better. That's what I love about 2-Second Lean.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-Second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.